My YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain how to create a approved Jumia account in 2024. So previously, if you want to create a Jumia account, you go to sellercenter.jumia.com and you create a seller center account. And now Jumia has changed everything. It's no longer a seller center. So what you are going to do is you're going to go to jumia.com.ng. That's the official Jumia site. When you get there, click on sell on Jumia, right? So when you click on sell on Jumia, previously it takes you to the seller center, but now it's the vendor center. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to click on sell on Jumia. It's going to take you to the vendor center. So let me just run through. I only want the video to be very long. I'm going to run through how to create Jumia's account. So what you do is that you pick your country. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to pick Nigeria. Next, you're going to put a valid email address. So let me just put an email address. So next is that you're going to click on the verification code. So Jumia is going to send a verification code to you, and you're going to fill that into the Jumia account. So I'm going to my email. Where I'm going to see my verification code. So here's the verification code. 3102. I'm gonna copy it and put it here. And click on verify. So now it has been verified successfully. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a phone number. So you have to make sure that this number wasn't used for your previous accounts. So you might face issues here. So what I advise you to do is just put a capital letter, put probably at, like bolo@gmail.com, just at, and also, or either you put a at or put a dollar sign. So that's special characters he's talking about here. So he wants you to put a special character as a password. So next is that you pick, and this is very important to note, don't pick a business except if you want to verify with your CAC, and that is Corporate Affairs Commission. So always choose individual. Then pick Lagos. Pick Lagos. Don't pick any other states. So if you actually want to get your account approved, so just put whatever is here. You can put my email. Put my email. Click on submit. Yes, so you have to verify, check the guidelines and policy if you want to. If you are not a new seller and you want to know their guidelines, their rules, there are a lot of rules, and I'm going to create videos explaining some of them to you. But you have to verify, approve, accept. So you have to hold on while they create your account, and then the account is created. But that's not the end. This is just the beginning. You are still going to log in to start your verification. So my email. So you're going to use your email and password to log in. So once you're in, you're going to see that this shop information is completed, right? But you have to also complete the other things. So for second thing, you can see, can you see the account details are just filling now? So that's why it shows completed here, because I've completed the shop information. The next thing to do is the business information. So I'm going to explain how you're going to do that. So you just put your name. You're going to want to fill in an ID. So either a passport, voter's card, a national ID card, or driving license. So I'm going to advise you to use something like a card that has front and back. Or if you don't have, you can also use the NIN slip. But the only thing you're going to do is that when you immediately put national ID, you're going to see that you have to put front side and the back side. So what you're going to do in that case is that you're going to snap a very clear picture of your NIN and put it here. Put the same picture here, for the NIN. That's for the NIN. The others, you can just put the front and the back. So you're going to put your name, put in my NIN, I put in my NIN twice. I put in my NIN number. So the tax identification number, you don't need to put that in except if you picked except you are not using an individual account, and I advise you to use an individual, not a business account. So next you're gonna click on submit. Okay, that's house address. So you fill your house information. So I advise you to use Lagos. Just use Lagos. Make sure you are putting Lagos everywhere. Even though you are not staying in Lagos, you can just put Lagos. Look for a location in Lagos, probably friends currently living in Lagos that you can just put. So you're going to be in review, so you're going to check within 1 to 3 working days and verify that. So next thing you're going to do is just make it same address for your shipping information. Your return address will make it same address. But you might want to fill that in again. So it's going to show completed. Next is the payment information. So I want to explain something. This is a place here where you are going to fill bank information document. So you need to go to your bank and verify and request for a reference letter. Request for a reference letter from your bank, because without this reference letter you cannot be verified. Without reference letter you cannot be verified. They are not going to allow your account to be verified. So you're going to put your name, your bank account number, but you have to make sure that this is being put there. Probably me, I use First Bank, so I got my reference letter. So I have a reference letter from my bank. I'm going to show you do a video explaining the requirements for the reference letter. Let me show you guys. For the reference letter, let me just click. But this is just put this address and request for it from your bank. So this is the address of Jumia. So that's the reference letter. So it's completed, and now you're going to the additional information. So now you have to verify whether this is your first whether it's your first time playing on Jumia, all of that, and then you're going to pick your kind of brand, and then click on save. Okay, you're going to put your yes, for it depends, so that showing your authorization your distribution license or trademark. If you pick a brand, so it depends on what you pick. But you pick others, uh, you don't need much things there. Just explain, and you can just snap your you can also snap items in your shop and upload it. So that's it. So then you can just upload basically anything that just verifies you as a person that's allowed to sell. Or you can just do what I'm doing now and put your reference letter there. Run my system. Um, to catalog details, you click on your type of product. You can just click on odd or others. I just click on all of them. And so now I'm gonna wait till account gets approved. Thank you very much. Please subscribe if you want to understand and get other videos.